Alright, Miss Wine. Remember? Alright, Miss Wine. Remember we did a math sheet about the microwave? The time? Like a half a minute, right? This is for you. Alright, you need lasagna for lunch. And look over here. It says microwave. 6 minutes. 6 minutes means 60 minutes. And I cook it again. I take this off. I get another time by 7 minutes. That means 750. Watch and learn. I'll take this off. No, I'll take this off. I don't. And put it on 6 minutes. Microwave. And watch. Six minutes and watch. Start. And you wait until the end. Alright, see ya.